protein ball series. It's going to be cacao and almond energy balls. So for this one, we don't require many ingredients. It's just almonds, dates, cacao powder, pinch of salt and coconut oil. Let me share with you how I make this one. First, let's start with almonds. These are approximately 200 grams of almonds. I have soaked them overnight and peeled the skin off just because they are easier for digesting. I find it easier to blitz it a second before I add other ingredients. So let's blitz them. Now I'm going to add 200 grams of dates. I've already pitted mine. And I add small amount of coconut oil. Next I'm adding cacao powder, approximately 2 tablespoons. This gives that chocolatey taste to the energy balls. I always add a little pinch of salt and I'm going to blend them all into smooth dough. Look at that, beautiful, isn't it? When you try to press it like that, it should be able to form into a ball. That's when you know that it's ready for making into energy balls. So I'm going to make them into perfect balls. Almond and cacao energy balls are ready. They are so good and healthy. Kids love them too. So I hope you like this video and I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.